Hello and welcome to BNB class. नमस्ते स्वागत छ तपाईलाई BNB क्लासमा. Learn English Speaking Part 4. अंग्रेजी बोल्न सिकौं भाग 4. आउनुहोस् अंग्रेजी सिकौं. Come, let's learn English. Let's start. सुरु गरौं. Repeat with me. मसँगै दोहोर्याउनुहोस्. You must be joking. You must be kidding. You must be joking. तपाई अवश्य नै ठट्टा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. यसलाई दुई प्रकारले भन्न सकिन्छ. You must be joking. वा You must be kidding. Here it is. Here it is. यहाँ छ. Here it is. Nothing special. Nothing special. केही विशेष कुरा छैन. Nothing special. Let it be. Let it be. रहन दिनुस् वा जान दिनुस्. Let it be. Listen to me. Listen to me. मेरो कुरा सुन्नुहोस्. Listen to me. All right. All right. ठीक छ. हामी यसलाई दुई प्रकारले भन्न सक्छौं. All right वा okay. May I help you? May I help you? के म तपाईले मद्दत गर्न सक्छु? May I help you? Who is he? को हुन् उनी? Who is he? Who is he? Please make yourself comfortable. Please make yourself comfortable. आरामले बस्नुहोस्. Please make yourself comfortable. See you later. See you later. पछि भेटौँला. See you later. You are making a mistake. You are making a mistake. तपाई गल्ती गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. You are making a mistake. You are mistaken. You are mistaken. तपाई गलत हुनुहुन्छ. You are mistaken. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. नरिसाउनुहोस्. Don't get angry. Are you ready? Are you ready? के तपाई तयार हुनुहुन्छ? Are you ready? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. होइन, म छैन. No, I'm not. How dare you say that? How dare you say that? यस्तो भन्ने हिम्मत तपाईले कसरी गर्नुभयो? How dare you say that? You are watching BNB Class YouTube channel, your place for learning. Please subscribe. तपाई YouTube channel BNB Class हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. तपाईको सिक्ने ठाउँ. कृपया सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला. Tell me. Tell me. मलाई भन्नुहोस्. Tell me. Consider it done. Consider it done. सम्झनुस् कि यो भइसक्यो. Consider it done. Think again. Think again. फेरि सोच्नुहोस्. Think again. Please ask him. Please ask him. कृपया उहाँसँग सोध्नुहोस्. Please ask him. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. एक मिनेट पर्खिनुहोस्. Wait a minute. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? बिहानको खाजामा के छ? What's for breakfast? Switch on the light. Switch on the light. बत्ती जलाउनुहोस् वा चिम जलाउनुहोस्. Switch on the light. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. पंखा चलाउनुहोस्. Switch on the fan. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. पंखा बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Switch off the fan. See you again. See you again. फेरि भेटौला. See you again. Don't forget to like and share our video. हाम्रो भिडियो मन पराउन र शेयर गर्न नबिर्सनु होला. Click here to subscribe. दिएको ठाउँमा क्लिक गरी सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला. Keep learning with BNB class. BNB class सँग सिक्ने र अध्ययन गर्दै गर्नु होला. Thank you. धन्यवाद. हाम्रो 5औं भाग हेर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. हामी चाँडै अपलोड गर्ने छौं. Don't forget to watch the part 5. We will upload it soon. Thank you.